Okay, good job, Joseph. Stand up, right here. So this is Joseph, and he is, how old are you?
9.
He's 9. He's learning this very complicated piece, Canon in D by Pachelbel. It's long arrangement. So we decided we're going to do just 2 pages for now, and it's still very high level for his skills. He just started with me, so we're doing basic scales learning with Joseph. We do level 2. We are learning flashcards. So this is like was basically above his head, but he did a great job. So we improving because he is very dedicated student. He really finished these 2 pages. So what we need to improve a bit, what do you think, Joseph? What would you like to improve?
Maybe a little bit of the pedal.
Good ears. It is. Pedal was a little bit not clear sometimes, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let me play. I don't know if I can do better than you did. It's only the pedal was a bit here not so clear. long piece, isn't it? Long piece by who did make this arrangement? Let's see. Transcribed by Jonathan Robbins. Okay, you're gonna have a homework. I wanna use search who was maestro Jonathan Robbins, and you tell me next time, Joseph, what did you read? What did you learn about this musician? Okay.
Okay.
Who made this transcription arrangement for the Canon? Indeed, there's so many different varieties, so many different arrangements of Canon ND, because it's so very, very famous piece, right? Do you have questions? No, you don't have any questions. I played. No, okay. Maybe I can ask you a question. No?
Okay.
Okay, what do you think this means? RITARD.
I don't know.
Retardando. It means slowing down, gradually slowing down. You should have this card, what we're learning right now, probably right here in the white cards. They give you different varieties of the tempos, like adagio, for example. Adagio, which means slow, slowly. Andante,
Moving along.
moving along, walking. Moderata,
Like moderately.
moderately. Allegro, fast. Ritardando,
It's right there.
gradually slowing the tempo. A tempo, coming back to the same original tempo, resume original tempo. And here's some dynamics. Pianissimo, forte, fortissimo, mezzo forte, mezzo piano. Are we good? We familiar with this?
Think so.
What is that?
I think it's like gradually getting louder
Exactly.
and then gradually getting.
One is crescendo sign and another one is diminuendo.
Yeah.
Crescendo and diminuendo. So this all words in the music what we use, they came from a country in Europe. What country?
To be honest, I don't know.
It's Italy. It's Italian words we use. Accent. So please learn the white cards, okay?
Okay.
Also, you can use, start learning the green cards. What's the green line? This
Okay.
ones, okay. Familiar with the sign?
Staccato.
Staccato, correct.
That's a sharp.
Sharp sign. What does sharp means in the music?
You play the key that's like right to it, whether black
Very,
key or white key.
yes, very good. So very next key to the right. So it makes sound get higher or lower. The sound become higher pitch or lower to the right.
Higher.
Good, higher. Are you familiar with the sound?
That's like an octave higher.
Very good. Sometimes could be octave lower, because there is no indication, but it depends where is it located. If above the keys or below the keys, could be one octave higher, one octave lower. Play the notes one octave higher than written. Okay, very basic without giving you another chance to understand. Could be lower too. And this
Pedal side.
pedal sign, very good. And this would be
A fermata.
fermata, very good, which is
You hold the key down longer than its value.
And you know what the best to remember about fermata? It's like you add the half of the last chord, like basically about, sometimes more, sometimes less. Let's say if you have last chord indicated as whole notes, so you count 1, No, it's nothing to do here. Just making up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fermata. 1, 2, maybe 3. Something like this. Okay, let's check your. I think pink cards was actually for test or something for learning.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's try. Let's see. We can. Okay, today's not test. Today just
Practice?
practice because
Oh.
okay, because we do this in the camera. So no test in the camera.
Okay.
No stress, no test, no test, no stress.
Okay.
Okay? So Joseph is gonna tell me what is this.
That is a quarter note.
Mm-hmm. How many beats a quarter note?
1 beat.
Mm-hmm. Joseph is gonna tell me what is that.
That's a dotted half note.
Very good. How many beats?
I think it was like 5 beats.
3.
Or 3.
1, 2 plus
3.
1 makes 3. Uh-huh. And is it sound or is it rest for 3 beats?
What?
Is this a sound? The note
Yes.
makes sound or
Mhm.
note makes? Okay. So because we have another things, they look like that. So what is that?
I think that was it was a something rest.
Something rest, exactly. So this is the rest, which is pretty much similar to rests. One is half rest, another is whole rest, right? How we remember which one is half, which one is whole?
Half whole is the one that's like flip-flopped, basically.
I would say whole looks like if you continue the line, and it's gonna be based on the line, under the line, right? So here's the line. Line number 4. It's hanging down under the line number 4. And it looks like a hole in the ground, right? Like digged out the hole, right? Like digged out the hole. So this is whole rest, which is how many beats?
4.
Yes. And this like a reverse opposite, right? It's not a whole, it is
A half.
a half, yes. And it's look a little bit like if we add the face here.
It would be like a magician's hat.
Yeah, like a magician's hat, like a hat. So whole and half, right? And half rest is how many beats?
2.
Very good. Okay, let me ask you this. So Joseph will try to explain Miss Elsa what is those numbers. What do they mean for the music?
So 2, 4. It's 2 beats in 4 measures.
In
right?
one measure.
Or in 1 measures, but there's the 4 means how many measures, right? In the line.
Yeah, I know this is very complicated. Okay, so when you look at this 2, 4, hold it like this. When you look at the 3, 4, and when you look at the 4, 4, switch.
Oops.
Let's start with 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, right? So 2 beats in the measure or in the bar, the same thing. Between lines, between bar lines, it's a 1 bar. Again, bar lines, next bar. So 2 beats, 3 beats in the bar, 4 beats in the bar. Okay? So now this is, students have a trouble to understand and remember what is the number under 2, 3, or 4. This 4, 4, 4. It stands for a value of the note. Which is, that was the very first note I asked you, remember? So this is stands for a quarter note. So it means quarter note gets 1 beat in the bar. So each bar has a 4 quarter notes.
Oh.
Or each bar has a 3 quarter notes.
Or it could have just like a whole note.
Exactly. Depends where. If like here, yes, 4 quarter notes equal to 1 whole note, right? If let's say 3 quarter notes in a bar. It could be, cannot be whole note because whole note is 4 beats, right? So it could be half note and the quarter.
Okay.
Or half rest and the quarter rest. Anything. It's you just do some math.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, lots of math here. And why is it quarter indicated with 4? Can we try to think? Why is it 4? Number 4 stands for a quarter note. Why? Do you do at school? Do you know any fractions?
Fractions, we haven't started that yet.
Okay, then. Okay, it's called 1/4 part. Let's say if you take
like a pizza
pizza
slice? Yeah.
and you cut into 4 equal slices, and one slice, it's your 1/4. Okay?
Okay.
So 4, it means like 1/4, which is this quarter.
Oh.
Quarter is 1/4 related to the whole.
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, so little math we learned here. Is it a little bit more clear now, Joseph?
Yeah, it is.
Great. I think we helped to Joseph, and maybe someone will also use our video and learn something. So this was our beautiful student who demonstrate for you guys today. And the music theory learning, and he played for you Canon and D. So I'm Miss Elza Ritter, his teacher. We're gonna say goodbye